Hello students, today we are going to start Standard 5th Subject Maths, Chapter number 13, 3-dimensional objects and net. Now what is 3-dimensional object? That means 3D. So let's see, problem set 51, question number 1, textbook page number 76, you can see students. The first column show a structure made up of blocks. The other column shows the different view of a structure in 2 dimensions. Say whether each view is from the front, from a side and from above. So that means in column they have given you the different structures. So now what you have to identify, you have to see from above how the structure look, from the front how the structure look, and from the back, or you can say from the side how the structure see. So let's see the first block. This is block formation, 3 blocks are there, and view of formation. So that means from front how it looks in this way. From a side only one block we can able to see. So only one block I have drawn here. From above the 3 blocks we are able to see. Same way here also, from above this way, from a side and from front. For third figure also you have to do the same thing. From a side you are able to see a 3 box, and here from a front you are able to see 1, 2, 3 blocks, and from above, that means from top, 1, 2, 3, 4 block you are able to see. Same way we will see question number 2. Draw 3 pictures of each of these 3-dimensional object, a table, a chair, a water bottles, as view for a front, from a side and from above. So that means now you have to draw a columns. In that you have to draw a table, a chair and water bottle. And you have to see from front side how the table look and how the chair look and how the water bottle looks. So same way a side and from above you have to see. So let's check it out. So as you are able to see, this is a table. So I have written here a table. From side, table look in this way. From front, in this way. And from above, only the top part will be able to see. Same way of chair, a side, from front and from above. And a water bottle from a side, from front and from above. So in this way you have to complete this practice set. Now as you can see students, now in this page number, textbook page number 77, so this one activity you have to do, that is net. What? You have to make a cube with paper. So in this way you have to cut the columns in the paper sheet, and when you will fold this, you will find a cube. So this kind of activity you have to do at home. So this is cube, this is cuboid. So in this way you have to try. So here we complete the chapter. Thank you students.